Welcome to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply turn off notification in Gmail. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Gmail. So I'm going to open up my Gmail app. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Make sure you click on settings. Then click on general settings. Then click on manage notifications. So it's going to take you right there. Now to turn off all the notifications for any Gmail, what you need to do is to simply click on this button right here, and all the notification has been turned off. You have not allowed notification from this app. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn off notification for all Gmail. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.